Suprabhatam Chhatraha, Namo Namaha. Good morning, all the students. So today we are going to start with our Chaturthaha Patha Sa Eva Parmanuhu. That is an atom. Parmanu means atom. So as you all know, the smallest particle of a chemical element is an atom, which is indivisible part. So in Greek language, atom means that which cannot be split or broken. So that is the last part of the element. This you have studied in your science. Science, a technological terminology by G.R. Paranspe. He has given this uh, definition. The name of the scientist whose information is given in this lesson is Rushi Kanad. He is reported to subsist the remnant food grains scattered in the farm, and such legend about him is popular. So it might perhaps be fact also. So the concept put forth by the Kanada is in fact the scientific proposition of modern times. So let's start with the Saha Eva Parmanuhu. विश्वस्य उत्पत्तिविषये नैकेः सिद्धान्ताः प्रतिपादिताः. So there were so many theories which are there to give you the information regarding the evolution of the entire universe. नैके प्राचीनः सिद्धान्तः कालवशतां गताः, नैके नूतनाः च वैज्ञानिकैः स्वीकृताः. So many theories which the new scientists they have adopted or they have propounded, and some of the theories which we are not even using today's world. Atom iti shabdah sarvesham suparichita eva. So now atom means anu or parmanu. This is the part of the any element. The atom ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये अणू म्हणतो, शब्दः सर्वेषां सुपरिचितः. So we all are familiar with this word atom. आधुनिक विज्ञानशास्त्रे atom इति मूलकारणं द्रव्यस्य. So this is the basic element of this is the basic factor of any element, and this we have studied in Adhunika Vijnana Shastra. In modern science, we have studied that atom is the basic part or basic factor of any element. Sa eva element iti manyante. So we call it as element. This is the last particle of every element. प्राचीन शास्त्रे तु परमाणुः निर्मितेः मूलकारणम् इति कथितम्. So to have the origin of anything, the basic reason for origin of anything was parmanuhu. It is written in the ancient science. परमाणोः वैशिष्ट्यानि महर्षिणा कणाद महोदयेन वैशेषिकदर्शने कथितानि. So Kanada Maharshi, Kanada Rushi, he has given all the features, all the characteristics of this Paramanu or Anu or atom in his book named as Vaisheshika Darshane. Asmin Vishaye Adhikam Sanchodhanam Shakyam. So, here in case of this atom, more and more research can be done or research can be taken place. So, let's start with the Paramanu. अर्णवः जपाकुसुमं गृहीत्वा प्रविशति. So Arnav enters with जपाकुसुमम. जपाकुसुमम means with the hibiscus flower. म्हणजे अर्णव घरात येतो काय घेऊन, हातात हिबिस्कस, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो जास्वंद, कि हम हिंदी में उसे जास्वंद कहते हैं, जो हम लोग गणपति को अर्पण करते हैं ना, वो. तर अर्णव जपाकुसुमम गृहीत्वा प्रविशति. अर्णव हातामध्ये एक जास्वंदाचं फूल घेऊन प्रवेश करतो. Arnav enters with a hibiscus flower in his hand. Tasya pita vijnanasya pradhyapakah. His father is a vijnanasya pradhyapakah. Vijnanasya means science professor. Pradhyapakah professor means the person who teaches in college. Sah pustaka pathane magnaha. So since he is a professor in a college, he is busy in reading a book. तस्य पार्श्वे उत्पीठिकायां सूक्ष्मेशिका वर्तते. Tasya parshve. Parshve means his behind. Okay. So behind him, tasya parshve, behind him, utpithikayam sukshmeshika. Sukshmeshika, that is microscope. So there is a microscope on the pithikaya. Utpithika. Utpithika is a table. So there is a microscope on the table behind him. Sukshmeshika, that is microscope. So there is a microscope behind him on the table. Now let's see what Arnav says. Arnav says, Pitah akasmat udyanat japakusumam anitam maya. So he is saying that, Pita, father, I have brought a hibiscus flower. Japakusumam means hibiscus flower. Anitam. Anitam means I have brought. Asmakam udyanat. From where? From our udyan. Udyan means from our garden. मी ना आपल्याच बागेतून एक जपाकुसुमम आणलंय. म्हणजे काय? जास्वंदाचं फूल आणलंय. कियन्तः सूक्ष्मः तस्य परागकणाः. Look how tiny its pollen grains are. म्हणजे त्याचे जे परागकण आहेत ज्याला आपण सायन्स मध्ये म्हणतो pollen grains. So see, so tiny these pollen grains are. Now what Pita says? Pita says, means his father says, Sukshmekshikaya pashya. See, you can look at the structure of the pollen grains with the help of microscope. Sukshmeshikaya pashya means you can look the inner part or inner structure of that pollen grain with the help of the Sukshmeshika. Sukshmeshika, that is microscope. Tesham kananam rachanam api drashtum shaknosi. So that you can see all the entire structure of that pollen grain. Arnavaha tatha karoti. So Arnav does so. Pita, kim drushtam tvaya. So now he is asking, his daddy is asking, his father is asking, what did you see? तू काय बघितलंस आता? ते काय म्हणतात त्याला की तू त्या फुलांची जी रचना आहे, ज्या परागकणांची रचना आहे, ती तू मायक्रोस्कोपच्या सहाय्याने बघ. तेव्हा पुढे म्हणतात, किम दृष्टम, तुला काय बरं दिसलं? अर्णव सेज, पीतः अद्भुतम एतत्. बाबा हे तर एकदम अद्भुत आहे. अद्भुत आहे मीन्स डॅडी इट इज वंडरफुल. अद्भुत म्हणजे वंडरफुल. अत्र परागकणस्य सूक्ष्माणि अंगानी दृश्यन्ते. म्हणजे मायक्रोस्कोप वापरल्यावरती आपल्याला खूप डिटेलमध्ये त्याचं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे ते बघायला मिळतं ना. म्हणून अर्णव म्हणतो, अत्र परागकणस्य सूक्ष्माणि अंगानी दृश्यन्ते. So father, components of the tiny pollen grains are also visible. हे tiny म्हणजे अगदी सूक्ष्म. सूक्ष्माणि means tiny. अंगानी, अंगानी means all the parts. So all the components किंवा parts म्हणूया आपण. So all the components can be seen with the help of this microscope very easily. Now Pita says, Arnava, एतानि पुष्पस्य अंगानि त्वं सूक्ष्मेशिकया द्रष्टुम शक्नोसि. So Arnav, you can perceive the parts of these flowers with the help of microscope. Drashtum shaknosi means you can perceive the parts of these flowers. Angani means parts. With the help of Sukshmeshikaya with the help of the microscope. Sukshmeshikaya म्हणजे काय? मायक्रोस्कोपच्या मदतीने, मायक्रोस्कोपच्या सहाय्याने. तुम्ही इथे चित्रात बघताय की तो मायक्रोस्कोपने ते जे जास्वंदाच्या फुलावरती जे वरती परागकण असतात ना पिवळ्या रंगाचे, ते तो खूप व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्व करतोय. सो ही इज ऑब्झर्विंग दोज pollen grains of that hibiscus flowers. You can see this in the picture. परंतु एतद् विश्वम परमाणुभ्यः निर्मितम. Okay, now his father is saying that, but this entire universe is composed of atoms. ते परमाणवः तु सूक्ष्मेशिकया अपि न दृश्यन्ते. And those atoms cannot be perceived even with the help of microscope. So we cannot see these smaller particle without the microscope. ते परमाणवः सूक्ष्मेशिकया अपि न दृश्यन्ते. So those atoms can be perceived even with the help of microscope. So without microscope we cannot see. With the help of microscope only we can see them. Arnavaha says, Parmanu nama kim? Hey, so what is an atom? What is anu? म्हणजे अणु काय आहे? परमाणु काय आहे? Pita. His father is saying that Astu Kathayami. Okay, Astu, all right, I shall take. Mushti matran tandulan mahanasataha anaya. So his father is saying that mushti matra means handful. एक मुठभर एक मुठभर तांदूळ तू महानसतः महानसतः म्हणजे स्वयंपाक खोली ज्याला आपण किचन म्हणतो. सो गो अँड ब्रिंग हँडफुल ऑफ राईस ग्रेन फ्रॉम दी किचन. महानसतः म्हणजे किचन मधून. तर ते आपल्या मुलाला सांगतात, अर्णवला सांगतात की ब्रिंग सम राईस ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द किचन. नाऊ आनय. अर्णव तथेती. ओके, ठीक आहे. उक्तवा पाकगृहात तंडुलान आनयती. ठीक आहे, ओके असं म्हणून पाकगृहात तंडुलान आनयती. सो नाऊ ही सेज ओके अँड ही ब्रिंग सम राईस ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द किचन. स्वीकरोतु तात. So he is saying that here, take this father. Now Pita says, Adhuna imam tandulam vibhaja. Now what to do? His father is saying that now vibhaja means split. So split open that rice grain. त्याला स्प्लिट कर म्हणजे त्याचे छोटे छोटे तुकडे कर. ओके, थोडे थोडे असे तुकडे कर, त्याचे बारीक बारीक तुकडे कर. अर्णवः सेज तात कियान लघु अस्ति एषः. तेव्हा ते म्हणतात, तेव्हा तो म्हणतो की अर्णव इज सेइंग दॅट की फादर हाऊ टायनी इट इज. किती लहान आहे ते. लघु म्हणजे टायनी, किती लहान आहे ते. सो हाऊ टायनी इट इज. पश्यतु एतस्य भागद्वयं यथा कथमपि कृतं मया. Okay, so he is saying that look, I could break it into two somehow. Okay, somehow म्हणजे कुठेतरी मी कसं तरी त्याचे दोन तुकडे केले. अजून याच्यापेक्षा बारीक करणं मला नाही शक्य. तर वडील सांगतात इतःपि लघुतरः भागः कर्तुं शक्यते वा. त्याचे वडील सांगतात की will it be possible to split it further into the smaller pieces. इतःपि लघुतर भाग कर्तुं शक्यते वा. Will it possible to split it further into the smaller pieces? Arnav says, Arnavah, यदि क्रियते तर्हि चूर्णं भवेत् तस्य. If tried so, then it would turn into the powder. चूर्णम means powder. त्याचे जर आणखीन मी लहान तुकडे करायला घेतले ना त्या तांदूळाच्या तुकड्यांचे, तर त्याची काय होईल, पूड बनेल किंवा एक पावडर बनेल. पिता सेज सम्यक उक्तम त्वया. येस, यू सेड इट राइटली. यत्र एतद् विभाजनं समाप्यते यस्मात् सूक्ष्मतर भागः प्राप्तुं न शक्यते सः एव परम अणुः. So he is saying that wherever it is not possible to make it into the smaller particles, so it is called as a paramanu or atom. He is saying that that stage where the subdivision stops when obtaining a smaller part is not possible. Okay, means subdivision is not possible. That smallest particle is an atom. Okay, so yatra etat vibhajanam samapyate, wherever this subdivision gets over and beyond that we are not able to get the more tiny particles, it is called as a paramaha anuhu, that is parmanuhu or atom. Arnav says द्रव्यस्य अंतिमः घटकः मूलं तत्वं च परमाणुः. सत्यम खलु. Means he is saying that so the final or the last antimaha means the final or last fragment or constituent of the matter means atom. Satyam khalu, is it true? So Pita says satyam, yes, correct. Ayam khalu Kanada Maharshi Siddhantaha. So this indeed a theorem or the proposition of a great Kanada Maharshi. Okay, so great say Kanada. Api janasi, are you aware? परमाणु द्रव्यस्य मूल कारणम इति तेन महर्षिणा प्रतिपादितम. So he's saying that, are you aware that he same great thing stated that an atom is the main source of the matter. Okay. So he has given that परमाणुः द्रव्यस्य मूलकारणम् इति तेन महर्षिणा प्रतिपादितम्. So that he is the same great Sage, he has stated that atom is the main source of the matter. तदपि प्रायः क्रिस्तपूर्वं पंचमे षष्ठे वा शतके. So and that too in the 5th or 6th century BC, that is before Christ era. So before Christ era, during almost 5th or 6th century, this Siddhanta or theory has been given by Maharshi Kanada. Now Arnava says, Tatah Maharshina Kanadena Kim Kim Uktam Parmanu Vishaye. Now he is having some curiosity, huh? So that is why he is asking. Ki Tata, Daddy, Maharshina Kanadena Kim Uktam Parmanu Vishaye. So what he has said about this atom, Maharshi Kanad, what he has Uktam means said. Vayam tu kevalam tasya mahabhagasya namadheyam eva janimah. So he is saying that we are knowing only that great person's name. Means we are knowing only the name of that person. Pita. Kanada Munina Pratipaditam. He is saying that Kanada Rushi, what he has said, he had stated that Paramanuhu Atindriyaha Sukshmaha Niravaya Avayavaha Nityaha Swayam Vyavartakaha Cha. Okay, he is saying that the sake Kanada, he has stated that atom is the Paramanuhu Atindriyaha. Atindriyaha means very perceptible, indivisible. Atindriyaha Sukshmaha, very tiny. Nira Avayavaha, means it is the factor which is not having any other part, any other factor. Nityaha, then Swayam Vyavartakaha. So it is a sublaced, impartial, and endowed by innumerable properties. Swayam Vyavartakaha is having innumerable properties, endowed by innumerable properties. Now, वैशेषिकसूत्राणि इति स्वग्रन्थे तेन परमाणोः व्याख्या कृता. He has defined an atom in his book. Okay, what is the name of that book? That is Vaisheshika Sutrani. Okay, so he has given all these characteristics of atom in his book Vaisheshika Sutrani. Now again Arnav is saying, Kasa Vyakhya, what is that definition which is given by Sek Kanada? Ita is saying that Jala Surya Marichistam Yat Sukshmam Drushyate Rajaha Tasya Shashthatama Bhagaha Parmanu Sa Uchyate. Okay, so what he is saying that Jala Surya Marichistam Yat Sukshmam Drushyate Rajaha, an extremely minute dust particle that can be seen in the beam of sunlight. Okay, Jala Surya Marichistam means in the beam of the sunlight entering through the window. Then Tasya Shashthatamaha Bhagaha Parmanu. So 1/6 fraction of it is deemed to be an atom. What he is saying that extremely minute dust particle can be seen in the beam of sunlight entering through the window. You have seen in many rural houses, okay, a beam of that sunlight also comes, and you can find so many particles who are moving here and there in that sun. So he is saying that the Sek Kanada has said that an extremely minute dust particles can be seen in the beam of the sunlight entering through the window, and 1/6 fraction of it is deemed to be an atom. Now Arnav is saying that Aham etada vishaye vistarena pathitum ichchami. I am really interested in reading on this topic in detail. So I am really very interested on reading on this topic vistarena in detail. Pita says Uttamam. अरे वा, खूप छान. व्हेरी वेल. श्वः मम महाविद्यालयम् आगच्छ. Okay, so he's saying that come to my college tomorrow. तत्र कणादविषयकानि नैकानि पुस्तकानि सन्ति. So there are so many books based on this Kanada Maharshi. Tava jigyasa nishchayena shamme, and your curiosity will surely be satisfied over there. म्हणजे तुझी जी जिज्ञासा आहे कुठली गोष्ट जाणून घेण्याची ती नक्कीच तिथे पूर्णत्वाला येईल. ठीक आहे. सो अशा प्रकारे त्याला आज माहिती मिळालेली आहे कणांबद्दल, कणाद महर्षींबद्दल, आणि दुसरी माहिती म्हणजे अणूबद्दल. अणू म्हणजे नेमकं काय? सो इट इज अ लास्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ॲटम. भाषाभ्यासः. स्टार्ट विथ द भाषाभ्यासः. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत. You have to write the answer in a whole statement. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरं लिखत. अर्णवः पाकगृहात किम् आनयन्ति? तो पाकगृहातून काय आणतो? What does he bring from the kitchen? So he brings, what he brings from kitchen? Rice, na? Okay, rice grain. So it is tandulan. How you will write? Arnavaha pakagruhat. See, as it is, you have to write the entire sentence. Only wherever the question is asked, instead of that question word, we have to write the answer. So Arnavaha, how you will write? Arnavaha pakagruhat rice means tandulan anayati. अर्णवः पाकगृहात तंडुलान आनयति. Next one, कः परमाणुः. What is परमाणुः? It is last particle, no? It is the last particle of any element. So how you will define it? यस्मात् सूक्ष्मतरं भागं प्राप्तुं न शक्यते सः एव द्रव्यस्य परमाणुः. So the last particle which is again indivisible. So यस्मात् सूक्ष्मतरं भागं प्राप्तुं न शक्यते सः एव परमाणुः. नेक्स्ट वन, परमाणु सिद्धांत केन महर्षिणा कथित? Who has given this or who has propounded this atom and theory regarding an atom? So who has given this? Kanada Maharshina. So Parmanu Siddhantah Kanada Maharshina Kathitah. Parmanu Siddhantah Kanada Maharshina Kathitah. Maharshina Kanadena Parmanu Vishaye Kim Pratipaditam. What he has given regarding this Parmanu? So Parmanu iti Dravyasya Mula Karanam. What he has given? Parmanu iti द्रव्यस्य मूल कारणम इति महर्षिणा कणादेन प्रतिपादितम. नेक्स्ट वन, महर्षि कणादस्य मतानुसारम परमाणुः व्याख्या का? सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस परमाणु अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेग कणाद? व्हाट ही से दैट जाल सूर्य मरीचिस्थम यत् सूक्ष्मं रजः दृश्यते तस्य षष्ठतमः भागः नाम परमाणुः इति व्याख्या कणाद महर्षिणा कृता. Means that two lines shloka you have to write. So jala surya marichhistam yat सूक्ष्मं रजः दृश्यते तस्य षष्ठतमः भागः परमाणुः इति व्याख्या कणाद महर्षिणा कृता. Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 3, you have to write the answer in brief in your mother tongue. Okay. So the first question is Maharshihi Kanada Parmanu Vishaye Kim Pratipaditvaan. What he has given on this atom. So the great sage Kanada declared or explained in the 5th or 6th century before Christ that an atom is the main source of a matter and that the entire universe is composed of the atoms. Correct? Entire universe is composed of the atoms. According to him, atom is not the perceptible or naked eyes, means we cannot see with the naked eyes that atom is not the perceptible or invisible to the naked eyes, and it is sublet, impartial, means undivided, indivisible, or eternal, indestructible, and endowed by innumerable properties. It has so many properties. So it is always endowed by the so many properties. He defines it as atom is the 1/6 fraction of the minutest dust particle. Okay, so it is a 1/6 part of the minute particles can be seen in the beam of sunlight entering through the window. Generally, we can't find such type of the sunlight or beam, but you can see those particles moving here and there in the beam of the sunlight entering through the window in a day period. Question number 2 is समानार्थक शब्दान लिखत. तो समानार्थक शब्दान लिखत. कुसुमम. कुसुमम is पुष्पम. कुसुमम, it is pushpam or sumanam. You can write kusumam or sumanam. Vishwam. What you will write for Vishwam? Vishwam, Jagat. What you can write? Vishwam, Jagat. Pita. Pita is Janakaha. Pita, Janakaha. Namadheyam. Namadheyam. That is Abhidhanam. So there is one word for Namadheyam. It is Abhidhanam. Abhidhanam. Suryaha. Suryaha. What is the word? Suryaha. Bhaskaraha. Savita. So many names are there. So you can write Bhaskaraha, Savita, or Ravihi. Any name you can write. Or any other name. Suryaha or Suryaha. Question number 4 is विरुद्धार्थक शब्दान मंजूषातः अन्विष्य लिखत. Okay, Satyam. What is here? You have to write the opposite word from the given list. Satyam, Asatyam. Satyam opposite is Asatyam. Next one, Antimaha. So it is Antimaha. So what will be the Adyaha? Antimaha means at the end, Adyaha at the beginning. Anityaha. Nityaha. Irregular, regular. Anityaha, Nityaha. Laguhu. Sthulaha. Sukshmaha. Sukshmaha. So it will be Sthulaha. Laghu Guruhu. We can write Laguhu Guruhu. Sthulaha Sukshmaha. Laghu Guru, then Sthulaha Sukshmaha. Now here we have to write the Uchitam Paryayam Chitva Vakyam Punarlikata. Etad Vishwam dash nirmitam Tandulahi Anubihi, which is the correct. This entire universe has been made up of Anubihi. Yes, it is Anubihi. Dash Dravyasya Mula Karanam, which is the final element of the any final factor of the entire element, that is Parmanuhu. Rajasah dash bhaga Parmanu. Rajasah Shashthatamah, 1/6 part. No, we have seen this in the stanza. So it is 1/6 part. So 1/6 part or Shashthatamah bhag Parmanuhu. Now Jala Rekha Chitram Purayata. You have to complete this entire Jala Rekha Chitra. Swayam Vyavartakaha. You have to write the characteristics. Okay, so you have to write the characteristics of that element or of that atom. Okay, Paramanu. So it is Swayam Vyavartakaha. Then next one is it is Atindriyaha, Niravayavaha, Nityaha, and Sukshmaha. Okay, so what you can write? Swayam Vyavartakaha is already given. Atindriyaha, very small elements. Then next one, Niravayava, it does not have much organs or any other factors. Nityaha, it is regular, and Sukshmaha, very minute. Okay, so this is how we have completed our Saha Eva Parmanuhu lesson. Thank you.